Hello, I am Mohit Patel from TRM Exim Private Limited. TRM Exim Private Limited is a manufacturer of alert and indication lights. You can see the demonstration of all products. These lights can be used for various applications. Our main purpose is road safety. Alert lights means it can be used to alert the person or object. It can help to identify the object. Now I want to introduce our product one by one. Here you can see our one product that is a shoulder light. Shoulder light, this is red colored shoulder light. You can see green color, red color, red and blue. Red and blue is specially used for police application. Then amber color and green color. So various color options are available. What are the applications of shoulder light? Why you should use shoulder light? Shoulder light is specially used to indicate and identify the object. Let's say for example, on the highway, let's say your car got punctured. So in that case, during the night time, you can wear the shoulder light so that other vehicles can identify you and you can save your life. So that is most important for road safety purpose. Another application, like a police department can use for highway patrolling. Another most important is like crowded area. So if policemen can wear this shoulder light, policemen can easily be identified so that each policeman can have a better aura and nuisance can be avoided. Everyone can identify that, hey, here is a policeman, so that policeman can cover more area and handle a more crowd. This shoulder light can be used in various departments. Like as I said, it is used for police department. It can be used for road safety purpose. So road and building R&B department. Then NDRF department. NDRF department is known to rescue the people. So if in any calamities like flood, people can identify the NDRF force and NDRF team, and they can ask help to the team. So it is again very useful for NDRF team, health and safety. If you say the ambulance run on the road, and doctors and drivers can wear the safety lights. Most important, SRTC bus like MSRTC, Maharashtra Road Transport Service, and then Rajasthan. So like in each state or in each country where public transport is used by road, this product is very useful. Then security agency, as I said, police can handle better crowd. So in the same way, security agency can also use this shoulder light. For the security agency, we have two options. One is red option and another one is amber option. You can see this amber light. Then railway department, railway police force. Yes, another thing is like you can use in army department, army or military. So again, it is very useful for any type of security force. I want to introduce another functionality of shoulder light. So if you see, the shoulder light is used to wear on shoulder, but you can wear on pocket as well. You can wear on pant pocket as well. On any direction you can wear. So here you can see there is a clip mounted on shoulder light. The visibility of shoulder light is 800 meters line of sight. Most important thing is it has a battery backup of 48 hours. So we provide for a dedicated power bank and a case to install with the shoulder light. So this case you can install power bank within this case. Power bank, again you can clip this power bank with this clip, so you can clip on with your pocket, and this you can wear this shoulder light. Another point I want to mention is like this shoulder light is not a cheap Chinese product, right? So if you want to test the quality, you can literally throw from first floor or second floor. Now I want to show some demonstration, like see, this will not break. This is again a robust product. This is working. See again. So this is the robustness of our product. So you can literally throw from first floor or second floor. It will not damage. And again, this is, I am not saying it will 100% it will not damage, but that is a robust product that can last for at least 5 years. So if you see the visibility, visibility of the shoulder light is 180 degree. Like you can see from here as well, you can see the here as well. So total 180 degree visibility, and it has two mode. This is a torch mode. So torch mode is used to identify the object nearby, like 5 to 7 feet. So this shoulder lights comes with two mode. One is a strobing mode, second one is a torch mode, and then by pressing the switch it will turn off. So that is all about shoulder light. Let me know, like how do you rate a shoulder light? Write down your comments. Next product is flare light, solar flare light. Solar flare light, you can see it has a 360 degree visibility. So it is visible from 360 degree, it is visible from the front as well. So that is again a alert and indication light that is purely based on solar power. So you don't need to connect extra wires with this. So solar power, this model is SL02 model. In SL02 model, there are 3 modes available. First mode is strobing mode. Second mode, here a switch is given, so by pressing the long press, second mode is rotating mode. You can see rotating mode. Next mode is blinking mode. You can see the blinking mode. This flare light has again different colors of white, green color, blue color, red color. It also comes with red and blue combination, like for police application. Here white and white LED is given, so we also provide red and blue combination. We also provide any other customized combinations available. If we see the applicable area for the solar flare light, like solar flare light can be mounted on safety cones, like if you see safety cones on the road. So to identify the safety cones or to identify the diversions, solar flare light can be used to identify diversion as well as to identify any object on the highway or any object on the road. You can use this solar flare light. Solar flare light, again, if I say technically, it has a battery backup of minimum 48 hours. So once it is charged, you don't need to charge for next 48 hours. It will last for 48 hours. Then it has a solar plate given. So it will charge during the daytime. It will blink automatically during the night time. So basically, you don't need to provide any electrical connection with this flare light. Then, if we see, we have a specially designed solar flare light. You can see this specially designed solar flare light. That is again a dual color blinking mode flare light. You must have seen some flashing lights with single color, but we have a new model available that has dual color. Here red and blue dual color is available, but we can customize based on your requirement. Now if we see like we have already seen like it can be used with road safety purpose. But what other purpose that you can use with this solar flare light? So again, if you see, it can be used with each and every vehicle. So any department that use the vehicle that can use our solar flare light. Like it can be used with police department, SRTC department, army, military. Most important is smart city. Currently, a smart city project is going on everywhere. So you can use solar flare light in your smart city project. And then railway department. In railway department, you can identify the bogies or wagons by using this solar flare light. It is simply plug and play device. You just need to put on the object. Another important aspect is a mounting type. If you see the mounting type, it has three type of mounting. One is a screw. If you, I don't know if you are able to see, but there are screw holes are given. So with the help of screw, you can mount on wall. Second, bamboo fitting is given. So here, bamboo 1.25 inches bamboo can be placed inside, and you can place on bamboo. And another is magnet fitting. So you can put this solar flare light on any metal surface. So this is simply plug and play device. So as I explained, this flare light can be used with safety cone. So if you see, this is a safety cone. So you can mount our flare light on this safety cone. So that is one method. Another method is like you can use this solar flare light on barricades as well for the road safety purpose. So sometimes few cars or few vehicles cannot identify the barricade or checkpost on the highways. So these solar flare lights can be very useful for barricades as well. Special case, if we consider the special case like border road organization. For border road organization, these products, solar flare light and solder light is very useful. My next product is solar red flag light. Solar red flag light is very much similar to solar flare light, but it has a only difference is like it has a 180-degree visibility. So if you see, this can blink on 180-degree visibility. It can mount vertically. So again, it has like mounting. If I talk about mounting style, so it has two mounting holes. Then next mounting style is like it has a attached magnet. So you can again attach on any metal surface. It can be useful, especially for road safety purpose. So if I talk about departments, so solar red flag light can also be used with border road organization, military department. Yes, special mention for SRTC department, police department, RMP department, and I want to highlight one application. So if you see this red solar red flag. So red color solar red flag can be used with the signage board. Anyone can identify nowadays, like if you see, no one can identify the signage board. But by using this solar red flag light, people or vehicle can identify the signage board. So again, this is a very useful product for signage board. One more important aspect and application for solar red flag light is railway crossing. So you must have heard a few news like vehicle had an accident with a railway crossing. Vehicle cannot see the railway crossing line, and there are a lot of accidents occur. So on the railway crossing, you can also use this solar red flag light. For the railways, on the crossing line, we can avoid the accident. With the railway, again, second use case is like bogies or wagons can be identified if we put this solar red flag light on the bogies or wagons. Another important is for smart city concept. So if you see for the smart city, some divider is starting, and or one place has end dead end or end point. So this will help to identify the starting point of the divider, as well as it can be used to identify the dead end. Similarly, solar flare light can also be used for the same application, but it depends on the scenario, like which product is more suitable. For some scenario, red flag light is suitable. For another scenario, solar flare light is suitable. So it is always a debatable point. Another important aspect is solar red flag light has inbuilt motion sensor. So if you see this light is in stopping mode, it is already on. This light is not working. So if I put some motion on this light, it will automatically turn on. So you can see it has automatically turned on. So it has inbuilt motion sensor. So it is very useful with the vehicle, especially for emergency vehicles. So when it gets in motion, it will automatically turn on. When the vehicle will stop, it will automatically turn off. So that is another application for solar red flag light. With the same way, we have also solar flare light with the motion sensor as well. So we have both options available in motion sensor, solar flare light as well as solar red flag light. Our next product is solar buoy light. So this is same as a solar flare light, but this is a floating light. It can be used to identify the restricted area in water. In water, if you want to cordon the area, this light is very useful. In swimming pool, if you want to identify, if you want to split two areas, again this is very useful. Multiple options are available: green buoy light, red buoy light. So you can use with any application. Solar buoy light can be specially used with aquatic company, fish farming company, or any department that has a business with water. So in sea, if you see there are fish farming organizations are working, and they want to identify the area for the farming. So for this, solar buoy light can be used. Our next product is bollard light. This is totally aluminium based alert and indication light. So that is 100% customized light. You can if you are designing the bollard, then we can provide this top for your bollard. It is 100% solar based. It will turn on automatically during the night time. It will turn off automatically during the daytime, and during the daytime it will charge automatically. You don't need to connect the wire externally. So these are our main products range. We can customize the lighting colors, or we can customize the product as per your requirement. Then as I said, these lights can be used with multiple government organizations. These lights can be used with MNC companies, or the companies that works with the road and building construction. I want to highlight one point. Currently, as I said, our main focus is road safety. So for the road safety purpose, we have specially designed a combo pack. We can say it is a road safety kit. So this is a road safety kit for any vehicle. Let's say, for example, when your car got damaged, or your car got punctured during the night time, you need to first priority is your safety, second priority is vehicle safety, and third priority is traveler safety, or the vehicles that is traveling on the road. So our product, solar flare light, fulfill all aspect of the road safety during the night time. Okay, so for your safety, we have a shoulder light. For your vehicle safety, we have a set of red flag light. For the safety of passing vehicles or for the safety of travelers, again that is covered by using this solar red flag light. So basically this road safety kit can cover the safety of all people and all vehicles on the highways. So as I said, like each car manufacturer provides a safety triangle with their car. So there is always a debatable point, like why should we use this road safety kit if I have a triangle? But triangle has some limitation. Like you need to understand this because a triangle either uses the reflector or uses the radium on it. So it has always a limitation, like the light must reflect from the triangle. So if you don't have a source of light, then it will not reflect. Second one is like it may be faded with the dust. Third one is like there is always a possibility that some people can miss those reflection. So these are the three main points that can be easily covered with these aspects. Like if you use this solar red flag light, then there is no possibility that the vehicle cannot identify the light from at least from 200 meters. It is easily visible up to 800 meters, but I am saying at least 200 meters, so that any vehicle can stop at least before 50 meters if they apply the brakes from the 200 meters. So this provides a guarantee of your safety as well as your vehicle safety. Here we have made a combo kit with 4 solar red flag light, but we can customize the combo kit as per your requirement as you need. So as I said, those are the applicable area. Apart from those applicable area, you can use this alert and indication light in gas and petroleum department. So those gas and petroleum department, you can use shoulder light, you can use flare light, solar red flag light, as well as solar buoy light. So basically we have a complete range of product. So if you wish to demonstrate or if you wish to see the product live, we are always ready. Our team always help you to explain each and every aspect of this alert and indication light. We have a complete lab tested reports for our products. Then we have complete technical manuals for those products. So if you have the requirement for your company or for your organization or for your department, you can always write us to sales@trivenisoft.com, or you can always contact us on our number. Apart from this, like if you have a good contacts with government department, then we can send you the proposal directly. You can forward the same proposal to your department, to your relevant department. We can provide 100% technical support. We can provide after sales support if required. We can provide pre-sale support. So each type of supports you will get if you are a reseller. If you are an organization, then also our responsibility is to provide you the pre-sale support, after sales support, and we have a readily available proposal for each and every department. So for your inquiry, don't hesitate to contact us on our email address or contact number. Thank you.